Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford F150 interior lights easy guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery, then remove the light cover carefully with a trim tool. Test original bulb orientation before pulling it out. Compare the old bulb to the replacement to confirm fit and wattage. Reinstall the new bulb, snap the cover back in place, and reconnect the battery to test the light operation. In this video, I will show how to replace Ford F150 interior lights easy guide. Use a plastic trim tool and work slowly to release the lens clips without breaking them. If screws are present, remove them and store them safely. Once the lens is off, grasp the bulb and pull it straight out while noting its orientation. Clean the housing before installing the new bulb to ensure good contact and fit. In this video, I will show how to replace Ford F150 interior lights easy guide. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so pick up Little Tree's black ice to keep your cab smelling great while you work. It's a small, inexpensive boost that makes post-repair drives nicer, and it pairs perfectly with a clean interior. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace Ford F150 interior lights easy guide. After seating the replacement bulb, reconnect the battery momentarily to verify the light works before final reassembly. If it does not light, check the bulb orientation and socket for corrosion. Once confirmed, power down, resecure the lens, and tighten any screws. Finish by cycling the light switch a few times to ensure consistent operation and a neat finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.